Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to create a button widget in a Tkinter. I already imported from Tkinter as TK, and then we created our root. Now I'm going to set the title, and this will be button widget. And now we are going to create a button with tk dot button, and we are going to pass in a root and the text that we want on our button. Click me, and now we are just going to call pack, and we are going to call root dot main loop, and now we can just run our code. And here's our button. Click me. Now we are going to add button with some design such as relief. They should be raised, and I'm just gonna copy this couple of times with different shape or design. Sunken. And we are going to do flat button, then groove, then ridge, then solid. And now we can run our code again and see the different shapes of our button. So these are different shapes of our button, such as raised, sunken, and so on. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.